Ever wondered how to unlock that ptb file holding all your company's financial secrets? Let's get straight to it. First things first, you need to launch Sage 50, which was previously known as Peachtree Accounting. So find the icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and double-click it to open the program. Once Sage 50 is open, you'll typically see a welcome screen or a list of options. Look for an option that says Select an existing company, Open an existing company, or something similar. It's usually the most prominent choice. Clicking that will bring up a window that looks like a file explorer. Now navigate to the location where your ptb file is saved. This could be on your computer's hard drive, a network drive, or even a USB drive. Once you found the ptb file, click on it to select it, then click the Open button. Sage 50 will now load the company data from the ptb file. And that's it, you're in. You should now be able to access all of your company's financial data, start entering transactions, running reports, and managing your accounting tasks within Sage 50. Now go get those numbers crunched.